Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for September 2nd, 2014. It is currently 7:15 a.m. and it is very muggy, very humid outside this morning, with temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior and lower to mid 70s in the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area and along the coast. Dew points are in the mid to upper 60s, even a few lower 70s mixed in there. Basically setting up a very humid, hazy hot day, or hazy hot and humid day, throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, especially once some of that fog lifts over portions of Connecticut, Long Island, northern New Jersey, and northeastern Pennsylvania. When that fog lifts, which is actually pretty locally dense, especially along the Connecticut coast, you're going to experience some rather hazy conditions with temperatures in the upper 80s to lower 90s throughout much of the region, mid to upper 80s along Long Island. And unfortunately, with the combination of the humidity, that's going to also lead to the heat index pushing into the mid 90s. But much like much of this summer, and now we're in meteorological fall, it's not going to last long. One day. We have one day of hot and humid conditions. And then, although we stay above normal for this week, we start to gradually trend away from this hot and humid pattern, and we transition towards a pattern that will feature more near normal, even a few slightly below normal days as we head into mid-September. So the first week is hot. The first week back to school, of course, with some schools not having air conditioning, will be hot. But it won't last long. And it won't last long with this hot and humid air mass as a cold front moves through tonight with the threat for showers and thunderstorms. So here's our latest surface map, and you can see high pressure is pretty much in control, and that's going to lead to scattered cloud cover and hazy conditions through this afternoon. I think that the showers and thunderstorms will hold off into the evening hours, looking after roughly after 5 o'clock over eastern Pennsylvania and after 7 o'clock for the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan areas. As this cold front will move through late tonight, and the timing of this cold front is key because it's going to be moving through around midnight when the instability is the lowest. So I don't expect much in the way of severe thunderstorms, but with all this moisture in the atmosphere, there's definitely going to be a threat for some very heavy downpours and frequent lightning. So this evening and overnight tonight is going to be a very stormy night throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. On the latest radar, you can see we're pretty much high and dry now. We do have a few isolated showers trying to pop up here. I think most of this is ground clutter. And we have a few isolated thunderstorms here over basically the Lake Ontario region and over western New York. But there's the main line. Here's the cold front with the showers and thunderstorms. And what's going to happen, I think, is very similar to what we're seeing this morning over the Ohio River Valley. Those showers and thunderstorms will approach. We'll have a period of very heavy rain behind that first leading line of thunderstorms. And for the most part, we're dealing with the threat for very heavy rain tonight. So again, for today, hot and humid. Tomorrow, temperatures falling off. We're looking at upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast for lows. And then as this cold front exits with a Pacific air mass behind it, will remain above normal, mid to upper 80s, but the humidity will be much lower with dew points around 60 degrees rather than around 70 degrees. So here we have the infrared satellite picture. Again, scattered cloud cover for the most part. People are asking, what is this right here, that black area right there that shows up? That's because of the sun, sometimes because of solar influences with radiation and whatnot. Sometimes the satellite picture misses out on a picture here and there. So that's why that's showing up, by the way. People were asking. So basically what we have is a hot and humid air mass in place. Here comes our cold front with all our convection. On the water vapor satellite picture, you could clearly see all the moisture just streaming up into the region. So again, this is not going to be a severe threat because of the timing of it, and the strongest disturbance with this cold front is going to be lifting up towards the St. Lawrence River Valley, but still I'm expecting some very heavy rainfall tonight with the passage of this cold front, and some localized flash flooding around midnight would not be a surprise to me with this passing cold front. So let's take a look at the latest European model guidance from the Penn State AWOL website. Again, for today, high pressure and control, hot and humid conditions. Cold front moves through tonight. Tomorrow, a few lingering showers in the morning, followed by clearing skies, Temperatures will rebound into the mid to upper 80s throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Humidity, though, will be a lot lower. For Thursday and for Friday, high pressure in control. We still remain with above normal temperatures for this time of year. However, the humidity will not be as bad. We're looking at upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast for lows, mid to upper 80s for highs throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, lower to mid 80s over Long Island. Again, lower humidity will be in place, but still above normal temperatures. A cold front will move through on Saturday with showers and thunderstorms. Now, these thunderstorms could be severe on Saturday evening. Temperatures on Saturday, again, remain above normal. Mid to upper 60s for lows, mid to upper 80s for highs. Can't rule out a 90-degree temperature on Saturday afternoon in the Philadelphia metropolitan area or around the Delaware River Valley ahead of the approaching cold front. The cold front moves through, and then for Sunday and Monday, high pressure from Canada. Big difference here. Polar air mass will take hold, leading to near normal temperatures for this time of year. We should be around 80 degrees. We're looking at temperatures on Sunday and Monday with upper 50s to lower 60s for lows, upper 70s to lower 80s for highs. Over the interior, mid to upper 70s. So we return to more of a near normal temperature regime. And as we look at the next 7 to 10 days, keep an eye on this strong upper level low and this strong upper level low, because as we head into mid-September, look what we're setting up here. A trough around the Aleutians, a ridge starting to develop over the west, and a nice, deep, broad trough over the eastern two-thirds of the United States, and this ridge shifting from the east coast into the western Atlantic with a nice strong block over the northern Atlantic as well, and heights building over Canada and Greenland. So definitely interesting times ahead as we go through September. That is the forecast discussion for this morning. I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay cool out there. And as always, you can follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. As always, have a great day and stay safe out there.